Hi there, this is Joan of Art, and I'm preparing something basic but special for my special someone. This is a mango paho in Ilonggo. Paho if it is ripe, manga if it is green. Same fruit but with two different names. Paho when it is ripe, manga when it is green. Now, I have made a special preparation for my mango here, and it goes well with this kind of delicacy. It's IBOS. IBOS is sticky rice and wrapped in coconut leaves and then cooked. It goes well with the mango, and I've sliced it like this. I'll show you. Using a knife, I have sliced it like this. Slice is kihad in Ilonggo. And then I break it open like this. Can you help me break this open? So
Wait. Is it here?
after slicing this way, I'm doing this a shortcut. So into diamond strips. And then you break it open like that, and it opens like a pineapple. There are two ways of eating this. Either you use a fork and then scoop up the cubes, or you just suck them. Now Holger will do this for you with the IBOS. So I have to skim the IBOS as well. So IBOS is made of coconut leaves for wrapping, and when you open it, voila, there's sticky rice cooked and goes well with mango. You can eat it and just bite it like you would a hot dog or a sausage. Okay, sample. Well, there are two ways of eating it. Like this, and bite it, put it down. You can also slice it, either using a fork or a knife. Cut it up in tiny bits. And it doesn't have a taste because there's no sugar in it. But you can scoop up a cube of mango. It goes well with the sticky rice. Kauna? Now Holger will do the honors. Have a taste of our special. I put toilet paper instead of a serviette. Uli in Ilonggo.
Uli.
Uli. But that's not for eating the uli.
So can I say kain tayo?
Kaon. Kaon ta.
Kaun tayo.
No, kaon ta.
What about we?
It's short for kita. That's
What
us
about
or we.
Okay.
Tayo
Kita.
is
No.
Tagalog.
Okay.
Kita is Ilonggo. It's also Tagalog, kita. Tayo and kita. But
Okay.
it's kita.
We also have a guest.
That's subay.
Sharing.
And yep.
Already sucking out the juice. Oh, excited. Looking for.
He's more entertained by the ant. That's a subay.
Okay.
All right.
Now we have the
Mango tango.
what's it called in Ilonggo? The
Paho
paho and the rice
and ibos.
and the ibos rice.
Ibos.
All right. So yeah, rather plain. So we make sure that we scoop it well. think I'm not good at scooping, but I use the seed, the big
Mhm.
seed there. Of course, the taste of the mango is so dominant and overpowering in a good way that the rice will, oh, and lamok trying to suck my blood,
Mm.
is becoming like a bystander. All right, try again. But I think it's better to suck it.
Yep, that's the best way to eat it. Suck it to suyup. There's the toilet paper.
I
That's
think it's just
what
more
it's for.
filling with the rice, so
Mm-hmm. All
nice.
right. So that's a typical breakfast for Filipinos, and that's our IBOS and rice, and with mango and an occasional lamok
And
guest.
there's the lamok.
There you go. This is Joan of Art and Holger having breakfast here in our little hut. It's called payag. It's payag. Ilonggo.
Oh yeah.
Hasta la vista, babies. See you in our next video.